Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility and getting the right cable or dongle. That saves time. Make sure the TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi when using wireless casting, and plug an HDMI adapter immediately if wired. Once the HDMI cable is attached, switch the TV input to that port so the signal is active. If using a dongle like Chromecast, power it and complete its quick setup in the Google Home or Device app. Now you're ready to move on. Next, choose wired or wireless and execute the specific method. For Chromecast, open the streaming app Tapcast, then pick the dongle. Streaming apps can control bitrate or subtitles. For AirPlay or Miracast, enable screen mirroring on your phone and select the TV. Give permissions if prompted. If wired, connect USB-C or Lightning to HDMI, then open phone display settings to mirror and confirm resolution and aspect ratio. Once done, finish by confirming audio routes to the TV and adjusting aspect ratio for full screen viewing. Use phone or TV sound settings to select HDMI or TV speakers. If you notice lag or no connection, close background apps and restart your phone and the TV. Simple restarts often clear temporary glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: swap cables or try a different HDMI port and ensure firmware and the casting app are up to date. That single step resolves most persistent connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.